In this simulation, we're going to see the field of a flat coil. A coil is made up of two loops of wire that have been threaded through a piece of paper. The main diagram shows an overhead view of the coil and the cross-section through the two turns of the wire. Let's drag the current slider one notch to the right. What changes do you see in the diagrams? Yes, a current flows in the small diagram, as well as two dots and two crosses can be seen in the cross-section of the turns of the coil. Now let's reverse the current. What changes do you see? Exactly, as the current reverses, the dots and crosses in the wire in the cross-section reverse as well. What does a cross in the wire represent? Yes, a downward current. And what does a dot in the wire represent? You are correct, an upward current. Now let's show the field lines. What is the shape of the line? Exactly, the lines through the center of the coil are straight lines, and at the top, two curved lines are passing inside and through the curve. Where is the magnetic field the strongest? Yes, at the center of the coil. How do you know? Well, since the lines are more concentrated there. Now let's reverse the direction of the current in the coil to see how it affects the field lines. The lines of force have reversed.